Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics ready. Sign into your Amazon account on the Fire TV and confirm Wi-Fi connectivity so updates can install. Once done, check for a Fire OS update and apply it. This ensures parental controls are current. Make a simple 4-digit PIN now and decide whether you want to block purchases, apps, or streaming content. You need that PIN to enforce limits, so pick something memorable but not obvious to kids. Open Settings, go to Preferences, then Parental Controls, and toggle the feature on. This is where the enforcement begins. You'll be prompted to set a 4-digit PIN, enter and confirm it so purchases and installations require authorization. Next, turn on purchase restrictions and app blocking. You can lock specific apps or require PIN for any new app. If your Firestick supports profiles, create a kid profile and set an age rating to automatically limit content appropriate. Finish by testing the setup. Try opening a locked app or initiating a purchase to confirm the PIN prompt appears. If something still shows up that shouldn't, go back into parental controls and tighten age ratings or add that app to the lock list. Small adjustments are normal. If you forget the PIN, reset it through your Amazon account online or follow on-screen recovery prompts. If nothing works, restart the device and check for updates before contacting Amazon support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.